Good morning. Did you hear the rain during the night?
Yes, it rained for several hours, but the morning feels fresh now.
I opened the curtains and saw gray clouds over the street.
That sounds like a typical morning in
Did you make
England.
tea before breakfast?
Of course, a cup of tea always starts the day well.
What did you eat this morning?
I had toast with butter and some jam.
Did you leave home early today?
Yes, I wanted to avoid the busy buses.
The streets were already full of people going to work.
Everyone seemed to be walking quickly.
Did you take the bus or the train?
I took the bus because it stopped near my office.
Was traffic heavy this morning?
It was slower than usual near the city center.
Did anyone speak to you during the journey?
An elderly man asked if the seat beside me was free.
How was the weather when you arrived?
The air was cool but not too cold.
Did you go straight to work?
Yes, I arrived a little earlier than normal.
Were your colleagues already there?
A few people had already started working.
What was the first thing you did?
I checked my emails and planned the morning.
Did you have many meetings today?
Only one meeting before lunch.
Was it a productive meeting?
We finished earlier than expected.
What did you do during the break?
I went outside for some fresh air.
Did you buy coffee?
No, I preferred another cup of tea.
Do people really drink a lot of tea in England?
Many people do, especially during work breaks.
What did you eat for lunch?
I had a sandwich and a bowl of soup.
Did you eat with colleagues?
Yes, we talked about weekend plans.
What was everyone planning?
Some were visiting family while others planned
Did
short
anyone
trips.
mention football?
Football conversations appear almost every day.
How was the afternoon at work?
It was busy but manageable.
Did time pass quickly?
Very quickly after lunch.
What was the last task before leaving?
I finished a report for tomorrow morning.
Were you happy to leave work?
Yes, the evening felt relaxing already.
Did you stop anywhere on the way home?
I visited a supermarket near the station.
What did you buy there?
Mostly vegetables, bread and milk.
Were the shops crowded?
There were many people buying dinner ingredients.
Did you cook when you arrived home?
Yes, I prepared a simple meal.
What was for dinner?
Chicken with vegetables and rice.
Did you watch television afterwards?
I watched a documentary for an hour.
What was it about?
It was about old villages in northern
Did
England.
it remind you of anywhere?
It reminded me of quiet countryside roads.
Do you prefer cities or villages?
I enjoy cities, but villages feel
Did
peaceful.
you speak with family this evening?
Yes, we talked for a while after
What
dinner.
did you talk about?
We discussed holidays and future plans.
Do you have any travel plans?
I hope to visit the coast soon.
Which part of the coast interests you?
I would like to see Cornwall one day.
Have you visited London recently?
Not recently, but I would like to return.
What do you enjoy most in London?
The parks and museums are wonderful.
Do you enjoy museums?
I can spend hours walking through them.
What is your favorite season in England?
I enjoy spring because the parks become
Does
colorful.
winter feel long there?
Sometimes it feels longer because
Do
of
you
the short
enjoy
days.
snowy weather?
A little snow is beautiful, but too much
What time
causes
does
problems.
the sun set in winter?
It becomes dark surprisingly early.
Do you enjoy summer evenings?
Yes, the longer days are wonderful.
Are parks busy in summer?
They become full of families and friends.
Do people eat outside often?
Many people enjoy picnics when the weather
Have
is
you
good.
ever visited a traditional pub?
Yes, they are part of British culture.
What do you like about them?
They often have a warm atmosphere.
Do old buildings interest you?
I enjoy learning about their history.
Is history important to you?
History helps explain how places change
What
over
are your
time.
plans for tomorrow?
I want to start the day with a walk.
Will the weather be good?
The forecast says it should stay dry.
Do you usually check the forecast?
Almost everyone checks the weather here.
Why is weather such a common topic?
Because it changes so often during the day.
Did today feel like a good day overall?
Yes, it was simple but enjoyable.
Would you change anything about it?
I would probably spend more time outside.
What are you most grateful for today?
The quiet moments between busy tasks.
Do ordinary days matter the most?
Sometimes the ordinary days become the best memories.